Kalau sales down, macam mana nak cari employee yang competent? We normally nak do whoever we have.
Okay,
Yeah,
kadang I mean, kadang kita memang there's nothing perfect. There's
yeah,
nothing perfect in this world.
yeah.
Of course, kalau you ada duit banyak, you can get plug and play punya situation. Plug and play mean terus on, pump, dapat semua lah.
Hmm.
Itu pun kadang haru juga.
Uh,
Because diorang ada diorang punya personal agenda lah, you know.
yeah,
They don't align with you punya objective. So
yes.
banyak ni lah. Macam expatriate lah apa semua tu, diorang ada dia punya agenda sendiri.
Hmm.
So kadang you ambil apa yang ada. Cuma kalau I akan buat, I akan coach dia bagi expectation, kan? And then you ada kena spend time in term of coaching. Tunjuk dia apa yang you nak. Tunjuk dia satu lepas satu. You hold hand. Tapi jangan you hold hand, you buat. Hold hand, dia buat.
Yes. That is a very important distinction. We call it help and support. Okay, help tu maksudnya I explain, but I help you. I end up doing it. Support me, I explain to you. Now you do. I support you. I coach you. Kalau silap, I betulkan. But I support you. But I'm not doing it. Kan? So I think that's a very important distinction lah. So yes, of course, kadang-kadang kalau kita tengah baru start and all that kan, kita guna apa yang ada lah. Tapi over time, I agree dengan Dr. Suhaimi, kita kena coach team kita. Kita tak boleh ignore je macam tu lah. Kita tak boleh expect dia terus pandai kan. Kita tak boleh expect dia pandai sendiri. Mungkin pace dia lain dengan pace yang kita expect. Jadi kita kena ambil masa untuk coach. Sebab tu saya kadang-kadang emphasize dekat some of our growth partners kan. So dia selalu discussion dia tentang sales kurang. Tapi saya cakap kita boleh tengok peluang. Bila sales kurang, maksudnya patient tak ramai. So that is actually the best opportunity for you to talk to your team. Kan? And coach them. Sebab kalau you tengah sibuk patient ramai, memang confirm you tak boleh coach your team. Kan? So kita tak nampak bila patient kurang tu as an opportunity, a golden opportunity for us to be with our team. You know, so I echo apa yang Dr. Suhaimi cakap lah. So maybe that is something that we can look at lah. Kita we make do with what we have, and then we coach them. Okay.